Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter, as well as 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the ArmadilloTek CaseBorne case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is actually two pieces. As you can see here, it's separated. So you have the top piece that protects the screen area right here. Then you have the back piece that also has a kickstand, which is very helpful when you're watching movies or doing something important like that. You can also do some video chat, either at this angle or at this angle, depending on how you're using it. You can also put it in the horizontal angle like that and watch movies. It's very simple with this kickstand, and it's for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can get this now from ArmadilloTek. It's shockproof, drop-proof, dust-proof, and scratch-proof. It adheres or exceeds military drop standard of 810G. All those details will be in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.